Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Driller. In a previous lecture, we have seen about the data sorting. In this lecture, we will be talking about the data deletion. So, how to delete the data from your MySQL. So, let's connect. Let's see how to delete. So, if you want to get more information to our website, to our the MySQL, you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedriller.com. After the opening the page, click on the Learn Python section, then click on the data deletion. So here is a delete record. So here you can get the program of the data deletion. So let's open the. Here we will make the two program. First is for deleting the data. Second is it for retrieving the data. If you delete the data, how will you recognize that the data is successfully deleted? So that is why we will be made the second program for the retrieving the data. So first we will make the program for the retrieving the data. So import mysql.connector. So mydb, it's a my connection. mysql.connector.connect. So host equals to localhost, and user is a user equals to root, password equals to 1234, and database equals to college. So now my cursor, my connection dot cursor. So my cursor dot execute select star from students. Okay guys, now result is equals to, you can also use the my cursor also. So for x in my cursor, so print x. Let's see. So we save this program as a view.py. So let's run this program that it is running or not. So here is a connector, something issue. So here is the issue that, so okay. So now again run this program. Now you can see the successful run. So now we make the second program for delete the data. Import mysql.connector, my connection dot mysql.connector dot connect, host is equals to localhost, user is equals to root, and password is equals to 1234, and database is college. So here you can get the college. Now dot cursor. Now we will make the data for the deletion. So here we can get the data. How to delete the data is the first is my question. So here, so how to delete the data? So let's see. Let's write the command for the deleting the data. So my cursor dot execute what, delete from student, where address, where address equals to Varanasi. Okay guys, so now we have to also write the commit for the save this action. So my connection dot commit. So print, what we have print, my cursor dot row count. So record deleted. Okay guys, now run this program. So one record is deleted. So let's run the previous program. So check that here in previous you can see who is living in Varanasi. Harshit is living in Varanasi. Now you can see the Harshit is deleted from this database. Now you can see here is no name of the Harshit. So again we have deleting something. So let's see. Check the name. So the name is equals to Devans. Okay guys, delete from the students where name is equals to Devans. Let's run this program again. So you can see one record is deleted. Again we view the data. So you can see in a previous output the Devans is available, but in this output the Devans are deleted successfully. So if you want to delete any data, so you can also use the this thing for the use the this command for the deleting the data. Okay guys, now so again if you want to delete anything, so here we use a serial number as SR number. So SR number is a 1. Let's run this program. So one record is deleted. So let's see again to view this program. Run this. So who is deleted is coming on the one is a Sonal. So Sonal has successfully deleted from the database. So guys, how to delete the table? How to delete the table? So simple is to delete any table. So delete. So we use a drop table student. Not students is my this student having some information. So I also want to uh, having a first that we have also discussing about data updation. So I will not delete this table. So it is my previous table is a student. So I will delete this student data. So let's see. First we will check in the MySQL if this data is available or not. 1 2 3 4. So select use college for that and MySQL. So select star from user college. So tables. So here is a student. So DESC student. So I will delete this table. It is does not having any information, not any data also. So you can see select star from student. So it is a clean. So I want to delete this, drop the table student, run this code. So here is no error. Now if we will be run this code, so it will raise the error because the college student is does not exist because I dropped the table. So that's why this error is so. Okay guys, so that's it for this session guys. I hope you enjoy video, love this video. In next chapter, we will be talk about the updation in get the any updation in any record. So thanks for watching video. Thank you guys.